2 fishing vessels burned, 1 sank, 11 dead and missing. FV ZHONG YUAN YU 11. FV ZHONG YUAN YU 11 sank after collision with Spanish trawler PESCA VAQUEIRO, IMO 8,521,335, in the morning February 15. NW of Falkland Islands, all 30 crew were rescued by nearby fishing vessels. Tropical 1. Fire erupted on board of FV Tropical 1 undergoing repairs in Durban, South Africa, in the evening February 14. 6 people died, reportedly all of them were crew members. The vessel most probably is total loss. JUN RONG. Longliner JUN RONG caught fire on February 11 in South Atlantic off Falkland Islands. Of 69 crew, 64 were rescued, 5 Filipino fishermen went missing. The vessel most probably burned out. FV ZHONG YUAN YU 11, call sign BZZV4, GT 1096, flag China. FV Tropical 1, call sign C9B 2836, length 36 meters, flag Mozambique. Longliner JUN RONG, call sign BI 2605, GT 998, flag type.